Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Earlimart Elementary School, home of the Tigers, here in Earlimart, California, part of the Earlimart School District, and my first time getting to visit this school and this city as well. I had a great afternoon getting to speak to pre-K through 5th grade, all the grades, students and staff, 2 separate assemblies right here in the cafeteria. And the main focus was all about bullying, but the sub-theme was look at the heart first, right? Be able to see someone just like you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else. And we know that our heart's as big as our fist, but we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this, right? Peace sign, where one finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself, but how we choose to treat ourself and others. But also too, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, we can do or say something so kind that it might stay on someone's heart forever in a positive way, or conversely, say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a very negative way forever. So we always have this choice, right? And we know that we want to choose love, we want to choose peace, we want to choose compassion, we want to choose acceptance. And we really need to, because yes, we are different. There's a lot of differences that could separate us, but those can be opportunities for us to meet some amazing friends. Sometimes our closed hearts shield us from meeting amazing friends. And to know that, we have this power to uplift or to tear down. And sometimes in just a few seconds, we know that we have to be all in for this planet. To not only just see people for their heart first, but for this as well. Bring this up in all my assemblies, it's so important. But the miracle concept, so all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy. And that M, like I just said too, the front of my shirt, the shirt that I wear for this particular presentation, that M stands for miracle, right? And we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it, but we have to believe this, because so many students I've spoken to, adults as well, all across this nation, sometimes they've forgotten that, sometimes they need a reminder, and we can be that light to their heart if we choose to. Because we know that as long as, we focus on what really matters, it's really all about the heart, right? That our best friends are our best friends, not because of how much money they have or don't have, or the house they live in, or the car their parents drive, the toys they have, the brand name of their clothes. It's all about the heart, right? And I think the students really did take that to heart, through a series of heartfelt stories, the positive music, the inspirational videos, the physical props too. All that kind of played in to reinforce the key themes today, the key components, which was all about that love. Right? And this world needs a lot more of it, a lot more kindness. So hopefully something did touch your heart the same that it touched mine. And if it did, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward, right? Turning those hurt people who hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, into healed people who heal people. As always, have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.